Hello friends, in this video I will tell you some home remedies that how you get whiter teeth. According to a research, Americans spend more than $1 billion per year on goods to whiten their teeth and repair cavities in their teeth. These products may be able to whiten your teeth, but because they are made up of chemicals, they can also damage them. Your gorgeous smile would be spoiled and discolored as a result. Before solving this problem, we should know that why our teeth turn yellow. There are two reasons that why our teeth turn yellow. Number one is enamel thinning. The outer layer of teeth consists of enamel, which is colored almost white and protects the deeper teeth structure. Beneath the enamel is a layer of tissue called dentin, which is yellow-brown. When the enamel layer thins or wears away, the dentin shows through more, so teeth begin to look darker. Acidic foods, gum diseases, and aging can wear down tooth enamel. Some people also have enamel that is naturally thinner. The second reason are stains. Specific foods and beverages such as coffee can stain the teeth. Some foods that stain the teeth may also wear down the enamel, increasing the yellowing. Other sources of stain including smoking and tobacco products and some medications also. The first home remedy to get the whiter teeth is the regular brushing. Brushing your teeth daily is the most important thing to do to keep your teeth shining bright. If you are not brushing regularly, start doing it right now. If you have been brushing your teeth daily and your teeth still turn out to be yellowish, try brushing more often, especially after having meals and drinks, which can lead to yellow teeth. However, don't brush immediately after taking acidic foods or drinks because it might lead to erosion. To give your smile some extra shine, try using tooth whitening toothpaste. This kind of toothpaste can help to remove tough stains from teeth surface. However, if you are having any problem using such toothpaste, it's a good idea to refer to your dentist. The second home remedy for whiten your teeth is the oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional method of teeth whitening. Additionally, this method aims to enhance the general cleanliness and health of your mouth. You must push oil around in your mouth while performing oil pulling. Any oil could be used for oil pulling. However, the two most common oils are sunflower and sesame oil. Another option is coconut oil, which tastes good and has additional health benefit. Oil pulling is also beneficial in the removal of numerous types of oral germs. These microorganisms cause plaque and discolor your teeth. Oil pulling may therefore be quite helpful to you in your search for whiter teeth. But there is no scientific proof that oil pulling is effective for whitening teeth. The next remedy for whiten your teeth is the brush with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. Baking soda has the whitening properties, that's why it is common in toothpaste commercial. Its slightly abrasive texture aids in rubbing off stains from the tooth surface. On the other hand, a natural bleaching agent is hydrogen peroxide. It also aids in bacterial eradication. For a very long time, people have used hydrogen peroxide to eradicate bacteria from wounds. You can make a perfect tooth whitening solution from these two ingredients. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Mix both the ingredients and you will make a paste. Use this paste to brush your teeth regularly. It's not a magic. You would not get super shiny teeth just after one session. Use this paste regularly and you will eventually start to see the difference. You can also make a mouthwash with the same ratio of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide and also with some water. The third home remedy is to rubbing fruit peels. Similar to oil pulling, there is no scientific evidence to support this therapy. The outcomes, however, have pleased those who have tried it. Furthermore, no harmful chemicals are used, so why not we should use it. Take a banana, orange or lemon peel and rub it lightly across your teeth to execute this trick. After 2 minutes of rubbing, properly rinse your mouth out and clean your teeth. Citric acid, which is present in the peel of several foods, aids in teeth whitening. If you are having sensitivity issue, chances are your teeth enamel is weak or has worn off. In that case, it's not recommended to use this remedy. The fourth one is you should take a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Crunchy fruits and vegetables are known to rub off plaque from your teeth while you chew them. Of course, they are not a replacement for brushing your teeth, but if the remedy gives the result as expected, it is an excellent remedy. Two of the foods which have been claimed to whiten your teeth are pineapple and strawberry. An enzyme named bromelain found in pineapple effectively removes stains and is used in overall tooth whitening. On the other hand, strawberries contain malic acid, which is known to remove the discoloration on your teeth and make them appear whiter. If the above mentioned remedies are not working on your teeth and your teeth are consistently turning yellower, it could be time to let a dentist handle this. Instead of having teeth with poor color and health, you might prefer veneer or dental implants. Veneer are delicate porcelain wafers that are affixed permanently to your teeth. Veneer conceal your natural teeth while displaying an unnatural color, shape, or location. Veneer can brighten your smile by concealing an artificial layer on your teeth, but they are not a true teeth whitening option. If your teeth's health and color don't seem to be repairable, dental implants could be the way to go. Dental implants are metal posts that are meant to hold artificial teeth replacement on them.